to bounce. There was gonna be a move from breaking. They were gonna call it the Haminator.
Oh my gosh.
Because
What's her name? The Australian break dancer.
oh, it's different.
The Australian break dancer. Anong paras na tumangin.
Well, the edit was really bad, but she wasn't good, but it wasn't that bad before the edits came
Everyone was like, oh, she's the hope that she's the hope I can make it to the Olympics.
out. Because the moves that they cut out, they're okay. No, her style should go and do normal basic stuff and stuff that you want to do to life, and then she'll do the weird move. But the edits, they made it look like she only did the weird move. So even when she did the cartwheel, like she would walk around, look cool, and then just do this once or twice. But if you edit it and you only show this, it looks like what's she doing there? How's she doing there?
Yeah, because everyone's just like, this is the Olympics. She beat out people for this dance.
She actually did.
People were saying like, oh, it's rigged that she made the Olympics.
Partly.
Because they were saying, I was like, oh, it's rigged, she made the Olympics. It's rigged, she made the Olympics.
It's rigged in a way that she's part of the organizing committee.
Yeah, that's why.
So they didn't give the others enough time to prepare.
Mm-hmm.
But
She
she still beat them, and the judges were provided by other countries. So there's no cheating with the judges. She actually won in her area.
She wanted the show, that's why she made the Olympics, and then she went to France.
So the thing about qualifiers, if you do diversity quotas to get qualifiers, then you get those
Then
kinds.
you get in.
Yeah. The other athletes, they don't. The other sports, they didn't get so much. They didn't get into the spotlight because the ones who don't do well, they're eliminated. Like
There
the preliminaries. There's supposed to be two really bad dancers in the Olympics. One of them used her time to do a protest instead. But she's also not good.
I never knew that.
So the refugee, she's from the refugee
Like,
team.
Yeah.
So she just wore the religious garb and then did the protest. But if they forced her to dance, even the Australian could beat her.
Oh.
Yeah. But of course, the Australian will win, but her highlights or the edits would still suck.
Yeah.
The highlights would still suck because of those little moves. If you put them together, it's really bad. But if she just did one round, like really cool, like enter with attitude and then just do bam, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's how she's beating the other leaders.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you edit them together, this, and then swing, and then this.
No, it wasn't even that. It was that.
Yeah. Oh, she also did I don't know if you recognize the reference, the Three Stooges. Curly, I don't know. So this is a dance from the.
Oh yeah, that one. And then people were saying like, people were commenting on that move that's what I do when I have time to us. They're like,
Yeah, so it's from a really old series from black and white films, Three Stooges. Right? I don't remember anymore.